Away they go. Princess Wenda, Lambing Pinay, rushing up Blue Material, Fort Alamo. Moving up by the rallies, Madam Dixie. Down on the inside is Adonis. It's now Lambing Pinay by about 2 lines, followed by Princess Wenda. Blue Material, Fort Alamo is racing in fourth by the row. Rushing up, My Wife Doesn't Know. Number 2, Madam Dixie. Adonis, third last, Poker Chip, Silent Power. Inside the last 700, Lambing Pinay, Princess Wenda by the row. Blue Material is closing in third. Lambing Pinay, this time by a length and a half, Princess Wenda. Blue Material is running by the Fort Alamo. The favorite is racing in fourth by about 2 lengths. My Wife Doesn't Know. As they race the last 450, Lambing Pinay, Princess Wenda is running down on the inside. As they race the last 200, Lambing Pinay, Princess Wenda, Blue Material, Fort Alamo down on the inside. Adonis, Madam Dixie, and down the stretch they come. Lambing Pinay still leading by a length and a half. And finally, number 9, Lambing Pinay, Fort Alamo, Blue Material, Adonis, and for your Fentafecta, number 2, Madam Dixie.